Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce KNTECH Fire Alarm Telephone System to you. There are Fire Alarm Telephone Station 1, Telephone Station 2, and Telephone Station 3. And this is the telephone station, this is the control systems. Now I'm going to show you the fire alarm active. Now we mute the sound so we can make a telephone call. Just a moment. Now the telephone is dialing. Now it's ringing. Hello? 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's all. So we will going to stop the alarm active. Now you can see all the beacon turn to green color. That means all the telephone now is in standby.